Hello, everybody out there. My name is Gorata Bakgoeng, and a 21-year-old girl currently studying advertising at LIMS. Well, I decided to come and showcase my talent, presenting, of course, because I believe I've got the talent, the confidence, and everything. And that way I get to meet new faces, to share ideas, to inspire and motivate people out there. And the same applies to me. At the end, we all benefit. Yeah, that's why I decided to present. We've seen it all, tears of joy and tears of sorrow. It was all happening here in Gemstones and Mainmore in Gaborone every Saturday. And if you did miss the audition, make sure that the next coming season of Gemstones, you are here to showcase us what you got. Well, the contestants have done that part. Now it's your turn as a viewer out there to play your role. Dedicate only 1 minute of your time to vote for your favorite contestant. Do so by logging on to jam.vote.com and vote, or view their videos at YouTube. Well, remember that faith lies in your hands, or should I say, future. From me, Gorata Bakgoeng, it's lots of love to you. Bye-bye.